Hello and welcome to another NS2 Mission Innovation Team demo on one of our end-to-end integrated solution sets using Volume Analytics and SAP Analytics Cloud. We will dive into how these products can be utilized together to quickly turn data in your cloud or on-premise repositories into live insights and visualizations widely available in a secure cloud environment. In the demo you're about to see, we will be using the live data from the Johns Hopkins COVID-19 data repository that is being updated and stored in an Amazon S3 instance. This data will then be identified, accessed, transformed, and loaded into our database of choice, and then imported into our Analytics Cloud environment while automatically updating our live interactive visualizations. Let's begin by explaining how the data gets from S3 into our database by utilizing Volume Analytics. Volume uses S3 buckets as one of its native repository protocols. When creating the stages of a flow, one of the first steps is for it to create a crawler that does a data triage on all of the items in the S3 bucket. This is called level 0. Volume Analytics then takes the data and puts it into Avro data serialization to make it uniform and faster to deal with. This is level 1. Each level is its own repository, like the S3 bucket here. Levels 2 and 3 are for data warehousing for reporting and to serve as a data lake for easy access using Jupyter or R. At level 4, the data is schematized for dropping into external tools like our database, which here is a MySQL database. Now, from our SAP Analytics Cloud account, we can access that data resting in our database using either a live connection or an import connection. Here we are creating a model for our data and deciding what tables and columns of information we want to populate our model. The Analytics Cloud has the option of connecting to a wide variety of the most popular open source and third-party databases and services like Microsoft SQL Server or Postgres, as well as all major SAP data solutions. Once our connection is made, we have access to previews of all of the available tables, as well as two options for building our import query on this data. We can write our own SQL statement using the freehand SQL option, or we can click to select our variables of choice. The latter option allows us the ability to preview the SQL statement, as well as the ability to preview what the resulting model will look like with real data. Once our query is executed and our data is imported into our Analytics Cloud environment, we can manage our model as well as schedule future imports in order to refresh our model with new data. We can view our data and create new transformations that will auto-populate when new data is imported into the model. This includes creating geospatially enriched columns as well as transformations of columns into different data types. With scheduled data imports providing our model with new data every day, we are viewing our now up-to-date Analytics Cloud story that is using ESRI Integrated Mapping Services, RSS feeds on the breaking health news out of BBC and CNN, as well as KPI trackers for total COVID-19 cases and COVID-19 deaths in the USA. We can then link these metrics and visualizations with each other, so when we focus on COVID cases in Virginia here on our map, for example, we also can see our other graphics providing more insights into Virginia as well. This integration with the Analytics Cloud and Volume has also allowed us to create up-to-date stories detailing the COVID-19 pandemic globally, as well as provided insights into current hospital statistics on important measures such as ventilator usage by state, the current number of hospital beds in use, and total patients currently in the ICU. These SAP Analytics Cloud dashboards serve the purpose of empowering decision makers with real-time information to best inform their decision-making process. For example, let's say a manager of an office in my hometown of Arlington wants to know when it's safe to reopen the office for on-site work. Before making that decision, they would want to not only explore cases of COVID on a national scale, but also on a more local level. Thank you for watching, and if you want access to more SAP Analytics Cloud information and resources, please follow the link above, www.sapanalytics.cloud, for tutorials, pricing, as well as access to a free 30-day trial account. You can also reach out to your current SAP NS2 account executive or to me using the contact information below with any questions or requests for more information. Thanks again, and have a great day.